like riding or driving, it's a beautiful, basically massive gorge. It's got some lovely roads for riding down, all lots of twisties, really high cliffs either side. It's quite a famous place, but it's gorgeous. So yeah, I've popped out for a lovely ride here today to take my new baby for a spin and get to know her a little bit better. Unfortunately, guys, ever since I picked up the bike, the weather has just been so bad. It's been tipping it down. Like, what are we? We're sort of nearly middle of August, and there's that guy again in the white, whatever that is. Yeah, it keeps staying dry. The weather since getting my new, lovely motorbike. Okay, finally I've managed to find a relatively quiet spot to pull over here. It's quite busy, even though it's raining. It's really busy in the gorge today because it's a weekend and it's a popular spot. Definitely worth coming down. Quick one, we'll go over the beauty that I've got here. I went for the Triumph Speedmaster, so I'm sure you saw in my last video. I'm over the moon with it. Goodbye, I think. I've always been a bit nervous of getting cruisers. Never had a cruiser before. Rode down to Somerset to Wells from London yesterday, and even though the weather wasn't great, it was still raining, but I had such a nice ride. Yeah, it's just sort of 65 miles an hour, just sitting at 65 is perfect. No need to go any quicker. It's got cruise control this, which is a game changer for me. It's just one button, press it, hand off the throttle, and you're just chugging along at 65 miles an hour down the motorway, which is just beautiful. It's just relax, take in the scenery and enjoy the ride rather than gunning it down the motorway at a little bit over 70. It's nice to chill out and just enjoy the ride and enjoy the cruising experience. Yeah, so as you may have seen in my previous video, the collection day, here she is. She's a 2019 Triumph Speedmaster. It had 850 miles on it when I collected it. I've had her for 2 days now and I've already put 150 miles on her, so she's going to get a lot of use. Yeah, and she's such a stunning bike. Seriously, I rode up to Box Hill the day I got it and just pulled over. The sun came out for about 20 minutes and sat down and just looked at it with the view. It's just like, it's a motorbike, but it's a piece of art as well. If that's, I don't know if that's saying too much, but seriously, it's stunning. I'm so pleased with it. Yes, the details on her is just beautiful. I just keep on finding new things to look at and new bits of details to look at. It's amazing. It's like riding around on a piece of art. So yeah, I've really been enjoying that so far. Okay guys, hope you like that. Just brief walk around and chat of my bike here. Got the panniers and the grips, and that is all that's extra for her, but even so, I still think in her standard guise she looks really nice. Yeah, the sun's actually just come out, team, so I'm going to jump back on and enjoy these awesome roads around the gorge. So yeah, that's the spec of her. She's pretty much a standard Triumph Speedmaster. Haven't come up with a name for her yet. I don't want to force that. I think that's got to be natural. You've just got to let that one time it'll come out, and yeah, that'll be her name. But not forcing that. Otherwise, it's just not natural. You've got to go with it. Like her, guys. Let me know what you think of her. Do you think I made the right choice or not? I'm very interested to hear what you think. Thanks all so much for the comments, by the way, and the help and advice some of you have been giving me on the channel. It's much appreciated. I do try to reply to all of them, so thank you very much for that, guys. I do like hearing your thoughts. Keep them coming. Plans for the future for this motorbike. What do I have? Well, I have a lot planned. I'm gonna do a lot to the bike, so you know, stay tuned to the channel to catch up and see what I do with her. There's a bit going into this, a fair bit of customization. I'm going to make it my own. I think I really like, you know, getting the nice standard bike, but then customizing it and really making it your own specific motorbike that's sort of special to you. One thing I've done so far, I got straight in there. I've ordered the big, I think Triumph call it the highway screen for the front. I quite like the look of that. I think it looks really old school. When I get it, we'll do a review and I'll let you know, of course, how it feels and how good it is. The rest I need to think on and come up with some ideas, but there's an endless amount of ideas. Thank you very much for watching again. Really hope you enjoy the channel. Stay tuned, lots more to come and on the way. As I always do, like to give a shout out to mental health awareness. Really want to push that on the channel, be aware of mental health and help people out. If they need help or you think someone needs help, just sort of reach out and speak to them. But yeah, cheers guys, till next time. Hope you enjoy the vid.